Myself Madhvi Navarkar from Kekewa Polytechnic, Nasik. I welcome you all in the course Applied Multimedia Techniques. Now, in this video, we are going to see the practical demonstration of create and use the advertising banner as GIF image. The course outcome of these practicals are to understand the concept of banner and to design the banner using graphical processing tool that is EasyGIF Animate. So before we will see the practical demonstration, we will see some theory about the banner. GIF banners are animated or static images that contain images and text which has .gif extension. Animated GIFs comprise a number of images or frames that are displayed one after another. So, if a picture is worth 1,000 words, then how many words a GIF worth? It's countless. So, GIF banners are most important in the multimedia applications. There are different advantages of using GIF banner ads, like GIF banners are accepted by most publishers and networks. They may contain the animations. They can tell relatively complex stories through different slides. GIF banners can work well on mobile devices. And GIF banners ads are cool and interactive. Now we will see the practical demonstration of how to create the advertising banner and use it as a GIF image. For creating the banner, we have to click on Create Animated Banner. Then it displays the size of banner. First is select the standard size, specify custom size or get size from background image. 468 by 60 is the standard size of banner. Then if you want to specify any custom size, then you can just increase or decrease the width and height here. So suppose we will take the select standard size. Then next. Then there are three options for the background of the banner. First is simple color. Means here you can take the color from this palette. Then second is the gradient color. Gradient is the combination of two colors. You can take any two colors and then you can combine that. And these are the patterns for that gradient. Then third option is picture or texture. Means if you want to take any image in the background, then you can browse it from your PC and then apply that. And whenever you are going to apply, it will ask for tile, stretch and center. Means according to that, it will display that into background. Suppose we will go for gradient color. Next. Then see, there are three messages for the banner. Text 1, text 2 and text 3. Text 1 will appear first, then text 2 and text 3. Suppose we will give the text 1 as applied text 2 multimedia text 3 techniques. So these three texts will appear one by one. Now there are multiple formatting parameters for the text. You can increase the font size, you can change the font, you can change the color, bold, italic, underline, then where you want to align, then how to show that. You want to display at once or sliding from left. There are multiple options. Then for how much duration you want to display. By default it is 5 seconds. If you want to make it less, then you can change it. How to hide. Hide at once or slide out to left or right. Any option you can say. Then go for next. Then it will save that banner to the GIF file. So we will see that to give the .gif image and then it will create the banner. See, it will display the preview of our banner. Then we will save that. Suppose we will give the name as banner1.gif. Now see, here you can also make the changes in that banner. If you want to apply any effect, then you can apply that effect. Then if you want to give any picture, any clip art, then also you can use that into that particular banner. See, it is appeared here. Now, if you want to preview that, then you can just click here, preview. See, it will show the first text that is applied, then it is going from right, then the second text is multimedia, and the third text is techniques. So, this is the way how to create the GIF banner using Easy GIF Animator tool. So in this video, we have seen how to create and use the advertising banner as GIF image. Thank you.